So this tutorial is going to assume you have a logo, a .com domain name idea, something that's not been taken. So let's start the clock. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to francisbrothersfilms.com/bluehost. Now that's my affiliate link. It's going to be a link in the description as well. I'll explain what the affiliate link does in the description. So first we're going to do is just click on that. Wait to load. And so we're using Bluehost for the hosting. It's awesome rated. It's all the lots of top internet people use Bluehost. It's great. Great starting off web hosting. So we're just going to use the basic plan here. The most popular supposedly is this Plus plan, but my friend John that we're going to be making a site for, an artist, he really just needs this just to start off. You can always go up. So we're going to click select that. Now it's going to make you choose a domain name. This is a free domain with the hosting. So we've already researched what we're going to be using, and it's called the mixedcanvas.com. So we're just going to click next. This is completely free with Bluehost when you get hosting through them. So now we've established that this is available. So actually my camera, believe it or not, my camera turned off there, so I'm gonna penalize myself there. So we're still gonna speed this up, but we're not gonna stop the clock. This is just info that you need just to sign up with, and we'll quickly just do this. So we've decided to do, there's a bunch of different plans you can do here. Now, to get better deals, you could pay up front, right? Check if that's recording. What we're going to do is do the 2-year, 24 months for $4.95 a month, which ends up being about 100 and something bucks, which is pretty good. All this is free. You can sign up to a lot of these things here, but we're actually just going to turn these off. But I recommend actually looking through these a little bit better. There's like security, but it all adds up, right? So, we're doing the cheapest one here we can do. And then you can change the billing information. We're going to be using PayPal. You can just put in your credit card too. We're going to click the PayPal, confirm the rights, confirm your thing here, submit it. So it ended up being $118 US, and this is all my info here. I had PayPal already logged in. I'm gonna dock some seconds off there because you want to be able to log into your PayPal. But maybe if you already have your PayPal logged in, it'll just be this easy. But really, if you have PayPal, you know how to do it. And if you have a credit card too on the previous screen, you can just go through the credit card that way. So we've got our Bluehost hosting here. It's telling me that I need to put a password in here. So we'll just quickly make a password. I just copy and pasted a password we had before. Oh, they didn't like my password here. So that's gonna take some time off. So here we are in the hosting, and now we're gonna install WordPress. You just go down to website, install WordPress. And then we're just gonna install this. And we are gonna just make it in on the main thing here. You can actually change the directory here, but let's just do it on there. So if you click on show advanced options here, you can actually just change the I'm going to change the password here to make it the same. And we're installing it. Now it installs WordPress onto your site just like that. So we're like almost there. Now we're just really just got to find the theme, and we kind of pre-chose a theme before. It'll keep this is how far the installation is, and I'll show you. We already have the theme, but you can look through all these. You can actually buy some themes. Really, the key with themes is, I mean, we're going to be using a free one, but you want it responsive, so it like looks good on phones or any kind of iPad or anything like that. You want everything to look still really good. So we're already done here. So I'm going to check the credentials. And then let's view that. And then if you go into, if you click here, access this new WordPress site. This is currently what it looks like. Doesn't really look like anything, but it's there. Themixcanvas.com. It's already there. We're like 80% of the way there. But if you click on this one, the admin URL, this will just put you into the back end of the site. And I'm going to put in our password here. I'm going to click remember me just to remember it. This is kind of where it gets nice. This is where all the creative end kind of comes in. Oh. I forgot that the password was our email address. My internet's really slow, and it's really slowing up my times. And you can, sure, I've never done this before, but you could have help launching your site, but I'm just going to put no thanks for now. And now this is the back end of WordPress. This is what it, you can start a tour and stuff, but I'm just going to skip all that. I kind of know my way around here, but you can, this is your back end. This is, it might look a little confusing if you've never seen this before, but it's really not. I'm going to go to Appearance on the side here, and I'm going to click Themes. This is where you can kind of install your look, your theme. So I'm going to actually look up, I'm going to add a new theme. And I'm going to look at one called Hitchcock, which is this one. And I'm just going to click install because we've already looked at it, me and John, and he liked this design. It kind of goes with this style of art. It's kind of simplistic, minimalistic sort of vibe to it. And then I'm going to activate it. It basically installed it already. There, it's already set up. And this is sort of like what the page looks like now. It's getting there. I mean, it still looks pretty basic, but that's building your site. Your site is online. This is themixcanvas.com. Look how quick that was. Easy as that. I mean, I'm going to add a couple little quick things. What we're going to do is change the, we'll go to customize on the theme. And I'm just going to call it the Mix Canvas. I'm going to take off the Art of John Shaw and probably add that there in the tagline instead. and then the site icon. What is it? Yeah. We are gonna do. I have his logo here. Save that. And maybe load his logo in there as well. I'm just uploading there. It's kind of basic looking right now. We could clean that up. The white on the edge of the frame there doesn't look very good, but this is just sort of the setup. You can add a header image of 1440 by 900. So we're gonna use. This very cool painting here. So it's really, I mean, we're already into the creative end of making this page really cool. I hope this helped out. If you like this tutorial, feel free to subscribe, and yeah, just see you. If you have any suggestions on if I should keep going with these type of tutorials on this channel, or make a new channel with this type of stuff, like more marketing end of things, just let me know. But yeah, have a good day, and go make some websites.